I want to talk to you about proper kettlebell swings. I see a lot of people that use their backs, their legs are semi-straight. So I see a lot of this. So we're going to show you the proper way I want to see you do your kettlebell swings. All right, so you've got to use the strongest muscle in your body, that's your legs. All right, so the proper form is going to be, you're going to get your momentum right here. So now, by keeping your head up, your head should always be up. If my head's down, it's going to round my back. If my head's up, it's going to bring my hips up underneath me. So proper form is squat and explode. So it's going to be just like this. When I'm at the top, that kettlebell should be straight up and down. That kettlebell's not out in front of my head. Lastly, I like to see the ears in front of the arms. So it's going to be up, poke the head through. Up, poke the head through. It is not go as fast as you can. All right, so last time. Squat, explode, poke the head through. That is the proper kettlebell swing.